Good morning, everybody. My name is Christy, and for today's video, we are going to stretch out our quads, and this is floor edition. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is lay on your belly, and you're just going to kick up one leg and try to grab and hold. Just breathe through the stretch. And then switch, kick up other leg. If you can, go ahead and grab and pull. Nice and easy. Breathe. Try to get the body to relax. And down. Next one, you're gonna lay on your side. You can support your head, and you can just bend the top leg, put the toe down, and grab, and just open it up a little bit. Now what you're gonna do here is get your hips into a posterior pelvic tilt, so it's basically like you're tucking your bottom, pushing forward. Head in line with the spine. And relax. And we're going to do the other side. Support the head. Bend top leg, tap the toe down, tuck your bottom. It's going to lengthen the front. You could grab the toe if you want a deeper stretch. And breathe. And up. Okay. Next one. You're gonna try to sit in a Z sit and push that hip forward. You'll feel the stretch. And we're gonna switch and push the hip forward. You bring that toe back to feel it more in the front. And relax. And one last one. So you could get a cushion for your knees, a pillow or something, and you're just gonna try to sit and then walk it back. And again, tuck the bottom. And you'll feel the stretch all up the front. And breathe. Just make sure you don't hold your breath. And up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please visit our other videos. We stretched out the inner thighs, hamstrings, and this is the quads. And we'll continue to move on to the rest of the body, floor edition. So a lot of our clients are starting these stretches in the bed first, and then they're gonna move onto the ground. So I hope you enjoyed this. If it was helpful in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.